welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on ETV Scandal from the 21st to the 25th of April 2025 on Monday. A revelation shocked Teps and Dala while blazing another. Madlomo is not happy at all to find her nemesis back on the scene, but Toto's position has him looking like a new man on Tuesday. Everyone is up in arms questioning a truth. A partnership deal is signed, sealed, and delivered. Betcha Fela causes a huge buzz in Etembeni on Wednesday. A trust broken causes yet another dilemma for a man determined to execute his plan. Madlomo believes that she has been bewitched. Keribone is reminded of a special event that will happen soon and hope to use it in her favor on Thursday. Mthunzi uses the incriminating evidence she or he has to get himself out of a hot spot, but others are sure to feel the heat on Friday. Mthunzi is steadfast, certainly that he will return, unsettles others. A chance encounter reignites forbidden passion and secretly witnessed. The allure of machines seem to be drawing a mother to newfound fortune. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.